Hello. So today we are in Tenby. If I've mentioned it in my day in the life vlogs, but at the moment we are doing Tudor stuff, and we've come here to Tenby because there is a Tudor merchant house here. We booked to come today. At the moment there's currently an offer with the National Trust places where basically you get a family free pass, and the merchant house was on the pass, so we get in here for free. So we're gonna go check it out, and then we're gonna have a little walk around this really picturesque town. So today is actually my first time using this new camera as well, so this is going to be very much a testing vlog. I've got no idea what the quality of this is going to be like. You think the steps lead to certain deaths?
Yeah, because I saw the steps. Then it just goes right to a cliff.
Yeah, so this is testing it out. I have got no idea what settings I'm supposed to have it on or anything, so yeah, you see how this goes now today. Amelia's spotted the sweet shop. You looking at it, Florrie? Right, so we're in Cadwalader's having a drink. Is that good, Florrie? Amelia, is it good? What have you got?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
We didn't know what.
Chocolate ice cream shake. So me and Craig have gone for an iced coffee float. Is it nice? I'm going to dig in now. So when the tide is out, you can actually go over to that float, and I was hoping to be able to go over there today. But yeah, never mind. Isn't this gorgeous though? Look at that little cheeky face. It's a Florida. Get soaked.
On purpose.
Ah!
I have a wet sock now.
Cave, Florrie. You see the big cave? Spooky dooky cave. Gotta trek all the way up these stairs now. Come on, Florrie. Let's go.
I just made my last mark.
You made your last mark. Okay. I just love how colourful Tenby is. Everything's so colourful, isn't it? And pretty. Do we go down this way? I think we can go this way.
Yeah. I don't know. Probably get lost with you.
Yeah, let's just walk around all the little pretty colourful houses. I know, it's cute, isn't it?
It's lovely.
Yes.
So this is what we've come here for.
Dad, what's it doing? It's like a dinner. It's holding asparagus, whatever it is. Are you going to see if you can see this? What's it doing? Making dinner?
That would be a big fun of it, would it?
What is it? Let me see.
What did that mean?
Oh yeah.
A big chunk as well.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. That's supposed to be a salad. What's the bring you guys?
Right, so the girls have got this little doll hunt thing to do. There's little dolls hidden around the house and you've got to find them. And you found, how many have you found, Florrie?
I found 3.
3!
I think there's 2 here.
Yeah.
And 2 on the top, yeah?
So apparently all of the downstairs is the servants area. We're looking, oh yeah, so this is the servants area and then the
Let's
family
go upstairs.
lived on the top 2 floors.
Look at it.
I love the beams.
For Tudor house, the floor's quite
Look at this son.
done.
Look at that, guys.
Big door.
It's a big one. Oh, I can see.
That one is right. Let's go right there.
Can you believe they used to share the bed?
Yeah.
Literally.
Oh, look what's in here, guys.
It's on the left.
The bathroom, look. Tudor bathroom.
No one else going.
Oh.
The floor's creaking.
That's what it goes down to into that pit, into the...
No way.
Yeah, where we were just now. So into the kitchen.
Yeah.
Hygienic, is it?
Well,
Well, there's no
what did
dolls.
we, Amelia, what did we learn about Tudor hygiene this week?
Didn't
It's
exist.
horrible and they all died.
Yeah.
Can I get out?
Ooh.
It's a bit claustrophobic. Ooh.
Alright. Imagine just having a bottle of that.
See this one. This one. Number 6.
Yeah.
She has a string and she's drinking.
Look at this thing.
But that. What is that?
Hey!
The candle. It's got a candle. Miss 9. Oh no. I need to go find.
Have you found them all now?
No,
You missed one downstairs, did you?
I think so. Look, 9 isn't ticked.
Oh, okay. Maybe you didn't see that one then.
Oh, she's not up here. You found your 2 for up here.
Yeah, that's what it all was.
It is like a mummy.
It swings.
Did they hang them up?
Yeah, what's
Yeah,
that?
but think about what the floors were like.
Yeah, I suppose.
The floors are full of thresh. Thresh is hay, straw, herbs, cats, dogs,
All the
rats.
fleas and it.
Interaction with them a bit of interaction with you. And it's where we all came from.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Who is their child? Who stuck them on a mountain and they died? They were weak and then they died.
Did you see the
Spartans, isn't it? That's well old, that is. Spartans did that.
Yeah. Maybe.
Yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, we read about it, didn't we? We learned about it. There's the plague, isn't it? When they were trying to cure the plague, they had
That's
herbs and stuff, and then that's how
Can you hold mine?
popular came about.
Maybe, Mum.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe. We thought about it like that, but that's where that book goes. But maybe they didn't.
maybe they did. Yeah.
Oh, it's the bandit and the bandits.
Ah.
Mommy, come on, let's go.
Yes, please.
Well, this plant is really interesting. It's called Sweet Cecily, and it was used to sweeten stewed fruit like apples and rhubarb.
What do you think of that, Florrie? It was good, wasn't it? What do you think, Amelia?
It was good. I
You
got
think it's
rosemary.
fun?
I learned something.
Yeah, I like the garden. The lady was really
It was
informative.
interesting, yeah. Okay.
By eating that bit of rosemary, I hope I don't.
Shall we have a look up this way?
Yeah, we go for a walk now, yeah, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, the staff in there were really lovely as well. I think the staff in there were really lovely as well. Definitely recommend a visit there sometime,
Yeah.
Mommy, I was wrong.
especially if it's free. Yeah.
Mommy, why didn't... Mommy, it would be better if she left us like pick them up, wouldn't it? So Amina could just get the purple one.
Yeah.
You got blue one.
Look, we got another sweet shop by here, Florrie.
No.
Look at the cat one, Florrie.
Yeah, I want a cat lollipop. Mommy, can we get a cat lollipop? No, this is a giant Tenby rock. Look at the giant Tenby rock.
I know.
Massive.
Look at all this fudge, look, guys. And nougat.
Daddy,
All right, let's go have a look. Yeah.
Okay, going in here, is it?
Just have a look, yeah? Look, there's a lady there. You pick the one you want. You can pick one thing that you want as well. Have you picked? Amelia,
All the rocks.
have you decided what you want? Is there anything?
No, I don't have it decided.
Okay.
I've already
Florrie, let me see you. Oh my god. Can you see? You're like a witch. More sweets and fudge. Again.
Mommy, I've been waiting to get one of these and now we got one.
I know.
Boing, boing.
Oh, gutted. We could get to the fort now. But we haven't got enough time to go there now because we've got to get back to the car. Can you believe that was a zoo?
No way.
Yeah. Back in the olden days, that was a zoo.
What olden days?
Well, it closed apparently in the 1970s, I think it was.
So when did
Oh,
it
it
open?
is.
When did it open?
I don't know. But that's when it was closed. Yeah. We come back longer next time, yeah? And then we can go and explore that fort.
Okay, and I'll bring my bouncy ball to keep me entertained in the car as well.
Okay. Right, we're going back to the car now. Yeah, Tenby's such a really pretty place. We need to come here more often. We only had 4 hours in the car park today because we put it on charge. So we've got to go back to the car now. But yeah, we definitely need to go back. We need to get onto that fort. And there's so much more that we need to do. But
So we got balls.
yes, you did con us out of balls. Yeah, so we're going to do that next time. We're going to have a good explore. We'll come back on a weekday as well when it's quieter. Because it's pretty busy there today.
Hello, today we're at Bumhole. And today we are at milkshake place. Hello. Hello. How are you today? And this is Daddy Pig. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Peppa Pig. No, not Peppa Pig. And I am George.